Okay, today Disciples Day of the Srila Bhakti Guru Vaikhanis Maharaj. He is a very learned person in Sanskrit literature, and he is a jewel of the all disciple of the Prabhupada, among of all disciples. But after Prabhupada's disappearance, he decided to stay in secluded place, completely depart from the whole entire universe, and constantly chanting and this type of he was decided after this proper disappearance he went to the interior village of the Ganjam district of Odisha. Gonj, name of the village is Gonj. He was living there, a small cottage, and also he established one temple there. Later he established. Now we are seeing his Samadhi Mandir is there. Every year his disciple Pujapad Asrama is performing his disciples' day and appearance day. He is the most beloved, he is the most intimate associates of our Guru Maharaj. Pujapad, our Guru Maharaj, Pujapad Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, Pujapad Bhakti Guru Vaikhanas Maharaj, and Pujapad Bhakti Vigyan Nityananda Goswami Maharaj, Pujapad Bhakti Vijay Purushottam Maharaj, Tirtha Maharaj. They are the 5 lamps like this, 5 lamp, spiritual lamp. Because of them, now we are all getting opportunity to endeavoring these spiritual activities. They all united struggle, united stands as a rescue, deliverer of the fallen souls. Bhakti Guru Vaikhanas Maharaj is talented, but he didn't like to be a Acharya, and because he is Bhajanandi Mahatma, but he pushed others to give initiation. But later, after Prabhupada disciples, most of the Prabhupada disciples, those who have taken sannyas from the Prabhupada, they came to Pujapad Vaikhanas Maharaj and took sannyas from him. And he is very learned in the Tantra Shakti, mantra, Tantra. So many miracles, so many mystic power he has. Before coming this platform, in early age, Maharaj was doing job in the Badagarh kingdom. Like the king of the Badagarh of the Ganjam district. He honored Maharaj as a Pattajoshi title. Pattajoshi means who is the greatest of all greatest. Pattajoshi means the very learned, honorable, prestigious post title, Pattajoshi. And he appointed Maharaj as his Kulo Guru, Raj Purohita. What's your order? He took birth in the Brahmani family dynasty. His father was Jadumani Ratha and mother Lalita Devi. His body complexion is like Gauranga, Gauravarna. That's why his father put his name Ujjaleswara. The first time when he came to Mayapur, he was coming on he was sitting in the vote. He was a very prestigious personality. and always he, he likes to eat some tambula, you know, what do you say? Huh? Betel nut. Okay. And it is habituated already. So he was eating and spitting in the Gangas. That time Prabhupada was sitting, he was, fortunately Prabhupada was also traveling on that boat. After seeing he looks like very genius person, very costly, because he is the Rajpurohita, not an ordinary person. His complexion, his effulgence of the bodily effulgence, and all attitudes, activities like a genius color person. So Prabhupada, what happened? He recited Ganga Maha virtue, the Ganga. After listening the Ganga's virtue from the lotus mouth of the spiritual master, immediately he threw the betel nut pot in Gangas, and he decided, whole life I will not take this. After arrived in the Chaitanya Math, he felt on the Prabhupada's lotus feet and took initiation from him. And our Pujyapat Bhaktula Tirtha Goswami was speaking. When first time he saw Maharaj, the earliest, when first time he saw Prabhupada's altar, and he decided he is my Guru. That time he decided, if I will take shelter in, maybe that person, he is my Guru. Once, the beginning of the staying in the Chaitanya Math, when after taking, Maharaji requested to Prabhupada, please tell me some Harikatha. Prabhupada sent him to garden. Okay, go, there is some Paramananda Prabhu is there. He will speak Harikatha there. Then Maharaj came to and pray. Prabhupada sent me to listen Harikatha from you. That Prabhuji, he was crying and crying. He told, I am the real foolish. I haven't any knowledge about the spiritual knowledge and any spiritual knowledge. Just it is fortunate by the mercy of the Lord, Prabhupada accepted me as his servant. This is the only one goal of mine. Very politely, he was crying and speaking. Okay, at least Prabhupada ordered me by what I have learned from, heard from his lotus mouth. I am speaking little. Then he was crying and speak. After seeing his Vaishnavajim, his politeness, his humbleness, humility, he came to Prabhupada and glorified about him. Then Prabhupada, too much appreciated, too much pleased. Then he told, you identify the Vaishnava. Then Prabhupada gave sannyasi. It is our Guru Varg's Sobhav. If someone, they are seeing some Vaishnava activities, then they are too much pleasing. Huh? He was very Ekadashi. He is very strictly and about the Ekadashi perform. Ekadashi day, what? Maharaj keeping some lighting lamp on the head. here also, on the shoulder, and the because on the whole night he was not sleeping the whole night and day and night he was chanting. But night time, it is obviously if you not sleeping will come. Huh? So to avoid this sleeping, Maharaj he did decided to whole night wake up and chanting. So he kept some lighting lamp on his head and shoulder and chanting. What happened? If some sleeps come, what happened? Then the hot oil must be fall on the head. Then automatically your sleep attitude become destroyed. He gives the lesson to us how to be sincere in the spiritual platform. It is his lesson for us only. Undoubtedly, he is the Prabhupada disciple. Not necessary to keep this system, but it is a lesson for us to avoid this. Never be negligence in the spiritual activities. So many activities. And he is telling it. His instructions, nice instruction he is given. If someone has plenty of the money, and someone has more opulence and more, if someone gets more prestige, then these two things is the symptom of the fall down. These two things is the symptoms of the fall down. If who is not really dedicated to his spiritual masters, it is Lotus spiritual master. By the chance, if he gets some disciples and prestige and money, then undoubtedly he become fall down. He is an instruction. Okay.
Some more teachings? What are his other teachings?
Prestige.
Some more teachings?
More.
Teachings.
More teachings.
His whole life is more teaching. The Prabhupada's all disciples is little spiritual teacher. Every steps of his life is teaching for us, lesson for the society. All activities. Okay. Vanchakalpadrusu Pasuni Patam.